Alright, so this is 205. This is the one that when we open the clean out, it's right next to the balconies where the air conditioners are. We spray painted it blue. That we opened the clean out and there was so much stuff in here you couldn't even see in it. So that's got a root protrusion about a foot from the clean out going towards the building. So that's going to need to be dug up and repaired. This sucker was just loaded full of grease. So it's got a slight sag in the line, which once the grease hits that cold water, it's just going to coagulate in here. But you can see how beautiful it is now that it's been jetted. So we're going to pull back and I'll show that root again. This was so terrible before we couldn't even get the camera through it. So it looks a million times better. There's our root. So holding just a little bit of water in the clean out. And you can see the swirls where we came in through here with our warthog head to the main. There's our drop down to the main. So this was 205. This is the one that we showed to you on site where there was so much debris in here we couldn't even get the camera in. So that one I would have the plumbers dig from the clean out a foot towards the building and fix that connection since we have a root that's growing in right there.